During the UPA regime, you have seen how the entire potential zone of Northeast had been neglected. Congress-led UPA government treated stepmotherly, and they have intentionally created lot of troublesome areas and created situation so that like Northeast cannot grow. But Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, after taking over the leadership as a Prime Minister of the nation in 2014, he has put his best possible effort, most sincere effort, and he has given special attention and directed all the Council of Ministers that we should put extra effort for the upliftment of Northeast, because Northeast is the most potential region of the country. Northeast can become growth engine for the country. Northeast can become new engine for the country. So this is the potentialities he has discovered and ultimately made every council minister understand, every senior official understand, and also like every citizen of the country understand about Northeast potential. So then he has started different kind of initiative, and which has resulted ultimately Northeast now become one of the fastest growing development region of the country. Whether connectivity, communication, whether it is institutional growth, and whether it is industrial growth, manufacture, service sector, everywhere, and also creating the ecosystem of connectivity, particularly airport, greenfield airports, and also doubling the railway track, electrification of railway track, and also connecting the northern state capital headquarters through the roads and also railways, and also giving a special emphasis for the development of the national waterways, and ultimately created ecosystem, which has resulted now to make Northeast one of the leading important kind of zone for the entire country. And ultimately Honorable Prime Minister has given very clear direction that in the near future Northeast must be the important hub of the entire Southeast Asia. So this is the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the support, and ultimately every Council of Ministers visited this region more than 800 times, and Honorable Prime Minister himself visited more than 70 times. So this reflects his earnest effort and also his honest effort for the growth of Northeast, and we are really grateful to Honorable Prime Minister. In the 11 years, whatever he has done, it is unique. Now peace has come back to Northeast. During Congress time, it is they who sponsors terrorists here, and because of their sponsorship, terrorist activity had come up and ultimately created entire region, its most disturbing region. But Honorable Prime Minister and also Home Minister Amit Shah ji, they have taken lot of initiative and negotiated. Ultimately, peace has come back to us in the region, and thousands of extremists have laid down their arms and joined in the mainstream to make India powerful. So I believe that's the way. Now you have seen more than from 74% places APSA has been withdrawn, and this has reflected how peace and tranquility have come back to the region, and ultimately because of which now day and night the development work is now growing faster.
Sir, on this occasion,
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰ।